Welcome to Mediapreneur Hub. As you can see, we are designing this from scratch. So now let us dive in and we see how we are going to come up with this amazing design. So what I will do, I'll just go to my Photoshop, then I'll create a new file. Then inside new file, these are my dimensions. You can create your own or you can customize your own. So then I will say Nike design. Then I will leave the other settings as they are. Then I will say create. Then after creating, I need a dark background. As you can see a reference in my image, I have this dark background. So now what I will do, I will just come here in my rectangle tool. Then inside my rectangle tool, I will make sure that I pick a blue dark background. So I'll pick among the list. I'll pick this. Then I'll come here and I will create. Then after creating this, it is amazing. I'll come to layer. Then I will make sure that I lock this layer by clicking on this padlock. So then I need to create variations in my design. So I'll come here and I'll pick a pen tool. But instead of picking this pen tool, I'll pick a curvature pen tool. Then inside the curvature pen tool, I'll make sure that the selection is shape, not path. Then come and draw your design the way how you want them to be. So I'll draw simple designs here. But as you can see, I have a stroke which is white, but the color is this dark blue color. So then I will first draw this like so. Then maybe I need the stroke to be off. Maybe I will just give it a random color like that. Then I'll come down here. I will draw another shape, random shape. Again, I'll come here. I will draw another random shape. These shapes are enough. So what I will do, I'll just come select one of the shapes. I'll go back to this tool. Then instead of picking this solid color, I'll pick a gradient color. Then inside the gradient color, I'll double click so that I have this color picker. Then I can grab any color from my scene like that. Then I need this color again to be a little bit more lighter. So I'll double click here, the value, maybe I'll put this one a little bit higher. Then I press OK. I'll do the same to other shapes. I'll come to these shapes again, come back here, activate the gradient. Then inside the gradient, come here, double click this, pick this color like this. Come to this dark value, then maybe try to bring it a little bit higher like this. Or even you can rotate a little bit. You can come here and rotate your gradient a little bit. So maybe I can leave this one the way how it is. So now this is the pattern in my background. I'll make sure that I lock all these layers by selecting all of them. Then I click on this lock. So then after I need something like a spotlight in the back. I'll create a new layer. Then I'll grab my brush tool. Then I'll click here in the middle just once. Then I'll press Ctrl T on my keyboard and I'll scale this like so. Then after scaling, I will confirm by clicking on this icon. So then I'll come here to this layer, then I'll reduce the opacity a little bit. Perfect. Maybe then I can name this light. So then again, I'm going to lock this. Then what I'm going to do, I just want to bring in the shoe. So I'll drag and drop my shoe inside the design. Then I want to flip them horizontally. So I'll do a right click, then flip horizontal like so. Then to confirm the transformation, then after I'm going to rasterize this layer by right clicking, then go to rasterize layer. Then I need to select this noise on my shoe. I'll just come to select, then I'll choose sky, because here Photoshop will try as much as possible to get all this noise. Then I'm going to press delete on my keyboard so that I can get rid of the noise. Then I'll press Ctrl D to deselect my my selection. Now you see my design is a little bit clean. So I'm dragging and dropping in other more elements. Again, the other way, you can also go to File. Then inside the file, you can use this place embedded, or you can use place linked. Either of the two, one of it will work. So I'll just go with the place embedded. So I'm just going to maybe bring this logo. Then I'm going to place this logo up here. Then I'm going to scale down my logo. Now it is high time for other design. I'll press T on my keyboard so that I can activate the typography tool or the type tool. Then I'll type here the word black. So then after black, make sure that it is being aligned properly. I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard so that I have a duplicate. Then I'll put this beneath. Then I want to make this one Friday. I'll select all of the character by pressing Ctrl A. Then I'll make this character or the size a little bit bigger, like so. Pressing Ctrl T again, I can scale down the size a little bit. Then again, I'll press Ctrl J to have another copy. Put this one below. Then I'll make this one special. So instead of making it black in the font style, I will make it medium. So then I will need another copy from that by pressing Ctrl J, bringing this down by using my arrow keys. Then I'll name this one offer. So then what I will do, I'll press Ctrl T so that I can have the transformation control. I'm zooming in a little bit closer, pressing Ctrl T. So then Ctrl T, I will do right click. When I right click, I want to activate skew. So when I do the skew, I can come to this point and I can bring this a little bit up like this, so that my text is bending a little bit. So again, coming to Friday, Ctrl T, then right click, skew, then bring it up a little bit. Perfect. Then go to the word special, again Ctrl T, right click, skew, again bring it a little bit up. Even you can maybe bring it here. Then again the word offer, pressing Ctrl T, right click, skew, again a little bit like this. So now you see my design is awesome. Then I'll maybe please bring this a little bit closer, like so. So then this, I just want to make this one orange, and I'll pick the color from this. So I'll have a color picker, then I'll pick from this orange so that I can customize that. Even the word Friday, I just want it to be that orange. Come here, activate the color picker, then grab this color. Wow, it is so awesome. Then I need another small design on my word special offer. I'll activate my pen tool by pressing P on my keyboard. Instead of using this curvature, I'm going to come to this pen tool, the original pen tool. Then I'm going to make sure that I deactivate this fill and I activate the stroke. And I'm making my stroke size around 5% of 5 pixels. Then I'm just going to come here and I start to draw a simple design like so. And this design, it depends on how you want your design to look like. So, but this is my design. I'll just draw this simple design like that. It's so beautiful. Now you see I have that simple design. So I'll just come here, grab this rectangle tool, then I'll come here and I draw this. I just want to have a rounded corners. Make this rounded corners. So rounded. Then I then deactivate the stroke. Then activate the fill. I just want the fill to be that orange. Then inside there, I'll activate my typography. It's so amazing. Maybe again double click. Instead of making it black, again you can make it bold. Wow, it is amazing. I need a phone number, so I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard so that I have a duplicate. As you can see, I have a duplicate. But only by just pressing Ctrl J, I'll put this here and you can put your number. So beneath this text, I need to put maybe my website, maybe Mediapreneur Hub. You can put your website, the size. It is awesome. Now I have another text here. I'll put this little bit up here. So I'll make this 50%, then make it bigger like so. Then maybe add the word off, reduce it, make it smaller, and make it maybe lighter, and change the color to white so that you can differentiate between this and this. So then maybe I'll again grab this, then I'll write here the word hurry up, maybe make it a little bit bigger so that it can fit there. Putting it here, maybe again I can duplicate it down here, maybe for all item, making it a little bit more smaller like so. So now we are almost done with the design because we have designed the core element. Now we need to add in more other simple details as you wish. So now this was our design today. As you can see, it is so simple. You can sell off anything. You can sell off all your product or any services. Maybe for more information, you can also visit us on www.mediapreneurhub.org for more info, and make sure that you do subscribe, as every single day we shall be designing something new. So let me be seeing you in the next episode. Have a good day. Bye bye.